at night when the world gets quiet, I still hear your voice in my heart. Some distance can never change what love is written inside us. The room feels colder when you're not around. I hear your footsteps in every sound. Your picture still beside my bed, and every memory runs through my head. I know we had our share of tears, carried our worries through the years, but time has shown me what is true. There's still a part of me that belongs to you. If I could turn back yesterday, I'd find a kinder word to say. I'd hold you closer through the night and never let our love lose sight. I feel you when the night gets lonely. I hear your name inside my heart. Even though you're far away from me, I don't feel we're truly apart. If your heart still remembers mine, maybe love can cross the miles. I'll keep a light on in my window, waiting for your beautiful smile. There were times our pride stood tall, too much silence between us all. We let small things become a wall and forgot how much we had to lose. But I've learned that love can bear, and forgiveness can begin again. So if you're willing, so am I. Let's leave the past and give our hearts another try. No more blaming, no more fear, no more pretending we don't care. If there's still love beneath the pain, I'll walk through every storm again. I feel you when the night gets lonely. I hear your name inside my heart. Even though you're far away from me, I don't feel we're truly apart. If your heart still remembers mine, maybe love can cross the miles. I'll keep a light on in my window, waiting for your beautiful smile. If you're crying, I can feel it. If you're hurting, I know why. Sometimes two hearts need a little time before they learn to fly. So wherever you are tonight, look up at the same moonlight and remember someone somewhere still believes our love can survive. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Let's make it mine. Let's make it right. Don't let our love fade away. We still have another day. Ooh. still believe, I still believe in you and me. Come back home. I feel you when the night gets lonely, and your memory keeps me warm. Even through the longest darkness, I'll believe we'll see the dawn. If your heart still remembers mine, let our love cross every mile. I'll keep a light on in my window, waiting for your beautiful smile. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. My heart is still with me. My heart remembers, my love remains. One heart, one love, until we meet again. Yeah, come closer, my darling. Some love is here for a moment, but some love is meant to stay. I remember the first time you smiled at me. Something in your eyes set my heart free. I didn't know where the road would go, but my heart whispered, don't let her go. We've had our share of difficult days, lost our direction in so many ways, but every tear and every goodbye only made me realize why. You're the one I want beside me when the morning meets the night. And whatever comes tomorrow, I'll be standing by your side. I'll be here till the end of time, with your hand safely holding mine. Through the sunshine, through the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. I'll be here when the years roll by, when the stars are fading from the sky. Every heartbeat, every breath, I love you through the very end. There were moments when our hearts were bruised, words were spoken, and we both felt used. But forgiveness taught us how to heal, and reminded us that this love is real. I don't promise that we'll never fall, but I'll be there whenever you call. We'll face the future come what may, and keep choosing love every day. Leave the old mistakes behind us, let tomorrow bring new light. If you trust me with your heart, I'll protect it with my life. I'll be here till the end of time, with your hand safely holding mine. Through the sunshine, through the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. I'll be here you're tired, lean on me. When you're hurting, let me see. I won't turn away from you. I'll remind you what we knew. Love can bend, but love can heal. Time can prove what hearts can feel. And after everything we faced, I still wouldn't change a thing. Stay with me. Harmonies. Stay with me. Walk beside me. From beside me. Whatever life may bring, I love you endlessly. Ooh, baby, till the end, till the stars disappear, I'll still be here, till the end of time, with your loving heart close to mine. Through every season, every change, our love will never feel the same. It will grow stronger every day. I'll be here when the years roll by, when we've watched 1,000 sunsets fly. Every heartbeat, every breath, I love you beyond life itself. Till the end of time, till the end of time, I'll still be me. If tomorrow brings a new sunrise, I'll be beside you. If another storm should come, we'll face it together. One heart, one promise, one love, till the end of time, till the end of time, till the end of time. Ooh, yeah. Every day I wake up, I count my blessings, and somehow your name is always at the top of my list. When I was lost, you showed me the way, held my hand when I couldn't face the day. When my heart was tired and full of pain, you brought the sunshine after the rain. You saw the tears I tried to hide, stayed beside me through the darkest night. And when I thought that love had passed me by, you gave me one more reason to try. So many roads we could have taken, so many chances we could have missed, but somehow our two hearts found each other. And I don't want to forget this. I'm thankful for your love, my darling. Thankful for the way you care. When my world was falling around me, I choose you for all my life. We've had our share of stormy days, lost our patience in so many ways. There were words that left us hurting inside, and moments when we both wanted to hide. But forgiveness opened up the door, and somehow we found each other once more. Now every scar reminds me of the truth. Real love can heal when two hearts choose. I won't pretend that life is perfect, but I know what we have is real. And every time you hold me closer, I remember how love feels. So thankful for your love, my darling. Thankful for the way you care. When my world was falling around me, you were always standing there. I'm thankful for every morning, thankful for every night. And if I had to choose again, I'd choose you for all my life. When the years begin to change us, when our footsteps slow with time, I'll still reach across the darkness just to know your hand is mine. And if tomorrow brings uncertainty, we won't have to face it alone. Because wherever this road takes us, your heart will always feel like home. Thank you for loving me. Loving me. Thank you for staying. Staying. Thank you for believing. Believing. When I couldn't believe in myself. say enough. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your love. Yeah. Come closer, baby. Sometimes love gets tested, but the strongest hearts know how to begin again. When I first saw you standing there, I felt something floating in the air, like my heart already knew your name, like loving you would never be the same. We've had our days of sunshine and rain. We've had moments filled with joy and pain. But every time the world pulled us apart, something brought us back to the start. I don't want to waste another day holding on to things we should let fade. If you still believe in what we have, I'll give you every reason to stay. Baby, you make everything feel better. When I'm with you, the world feels light. Through the storm and changing weather, you make my heart feel right. And if we fall, we'll rise together. If we hurt, we'll heal with time. After everything we've been through, your heart still fits perfectly with mine. There were nights when I couldn't sleep, wondering if your heart still belonged to me. But love taught me to put down my pride and let forgiveness open what's inside. I don't need yesterday to disappear. Every scar reminds me why you're here. We learned that love is more than words. It's staying when the silence hurts. So take my hand and don't look back. We'll build our future on a stronger track. Every lesson brought us here today, and I'm thankful that you chose to stay. Baby, you make everything feel better. When I'm with you, the world feels light. Through the storm and changing weather, you make my heart feel right. And if we fall, we'll rise together. If we hurt, we'll heal with time. After everything we've been through, your heart still fits perfectly with mine. If your heart gets tired, lean on me. If your eyes start crying, I'll be there to see. No more running, no more fear. We've got something beautiful standing right here. Can you feel it? Harmony. Can you feel it? Can you feel our love? Feel our love. It's strong. Your heart is mine. Some love gets stronger with every passing day. Through the tears, through the laughter, through everything, you and me, one love, always. Sometimes you have to stop holding on. Stop fighting what your heart already knows. Come closer, baby. I spent so long protecting my heart, afraid that love would tear me apart. Built up walls that nobody could see. Then you came and reached the real me. You never asked me to hide my scars. You loved me exactly as you found my heart. And when the tears came falling down, you stayed and turned my world around. So tonight I won't run away. I won't let fear decide what I say. There's something beautiful waiting here, and I want to hold it near. When my heart lets go, I fall into you like the morning sky, turning clear and blue. No more fighting what I feel inside. I let your love be my guide. When my heart lets go, I'll surrender to love, to the gentle feeling we've been dreaming of. Through every tear and every scar, I'll meet you exactly where you are. We've had some moments we wish we could change, times when our love felt distant and strange. But every heartbreak taught us to see what it really means to love honestly. I know forgiveness isn't always easy. Sometimes the heart needs time to breathe. But if you reach for my hand tonight, I'll meet you halfway beneath the moonlight. Leave the old mistakes behind. Let a little peace enter our minds. We don't have to know where tomorrow goes. We just need to let our feelings grow. When my heart lets go, I fall into you like the morning sky, turning clear and blue. No more fighting what I feel inside. I let your love be my guide. When my heart lets go, I'll surrender to love, to the gentle feeling we've been dreaming of. Through every tear and every scar, I'll meet you exactly where you are. Take away the fear, take away the doubt. Let the love that's been hiding finally come out. If you cry, I'll stay. Let your heart breathe. Let your love flow. Come on. When my heart lets go, I fall into you, and everything suddenly feels brand new. No more shadows standing in our way. We'll choose our love again today. When my heart lets go, I'll surrender to love. Give you everything I've been dreaming of. And when the years have come and gone, I'll still be holding on. Holding on to you. Holding on to our love. No more fear or hiding you. Just your heart and mine. Sometimes the sweetest thing we can do is simply let love in. One love, one heart, forever. Come closer, darling. There's something my heart has been waiting to say tonight. I want you to know I see the sunlight dancing in your eyes. Feel your warmth when you're standing by my side. After all the lonely nights we've known, your love still feels like coming home. We had our moments, we had our pain. Walked through sunshine, walked through rain. But every road that took me far away brought me back to you again today. So let the past stay where it belongs. We don't have to carry yesterday alone. Give me your hand, I'll give you mine, and we'll leave our broken hearts behind. I give my heart to you tonight. Hold me close and make it right. Through every tear and every smile, I'll walk beside you every mile. I give my heart, I give my soul. Your love is where I feel whole. Whatever tomorrow brings our way, I'll choose you again every day. Sometimes love gets caught beneath the rain. Sometimes two hearts forget how to explain. But I believe that hearts can learn to mend, and broken roads can lead us home again. If I hurt you, let me make amends. I'll be your lover and your closest friend. No more pride standing between our hearts. Let's turn the ending into a brand new start. We don't have to fear the road ahead. Let the words of love be what we say. future we can receive. I give my heart to you tonight. Hold me close and make it right. Through every tear and every smile, I'll walk beside you every mile. I give my heart, I give my soul. Your love is where I feel whole. Whatever tomorrow brings our way, I'll choose you again every day. When the night gets cold, I'll keep you warm. When the world feels heavy, I'll hold you in my arms. And if the tears return, I'll stay right here, because loving you is worth everything. Don't let go, oh, let go. Stay with me, stay with me. We've got something beautiful. Let our love be free. Ooh, baby, give me your hand. I'll give you my heart. But night and all day, I give my heart to you tonight. Hold me close beneath the moonlight. We've been through the fire and rain, but here we are in love again. I give my heart, I give my soul. With you my love feels whole. And when the years have passed us by, I'll still be loving you tonight. Loving you, loving you. For all my life, take my heart, take my hand. We'll walk together, no more running, no more fear, just you and me. One love, one heart, forever. Yeah. Come closer, my love. Some stories are written in the stars, but we'll write together. I never knew a heart could feel this way until you came and changed my yesterday. You brought a little sunshine to my rain and taught my wounded heart to love again. We walked through moments we thought wouldn't last, carried the shadows of a troubled past. But every time you reached for my hand, I knew together we could make a stand. Let the old tears fall behind us. Let forgiveness clear the way. There's a beautiful tomorrow waiting for us from today. We'll write our story in the light, hold each other through the night, through every mountain, every sea. Times I almost let you go, times we didn't know which way to go. But beneath the anger and the tears, there was still a love that conquered fear. Now I don't want perfection from you, just a heart that's honest and true. I'll give you patience, I'll give you time, and you can give me your heart with mine. No more counting every mistake, no more promises we cannot make. Let's take the lessons from yesterday and build a better love today. We'll write our story in the light, hold each other through the night. Through every mountain, every sea, you will always belong with me. We'll make a memory that remains, love that's stronger than the pain. And when the years have come and gone, our love will keep on shining on. If tomorrow brings a storm, I'll be your shelter from the cold. If your heart begins to tremble, I'll be there for you to hold. We've got scars, but we've got healing. We've got tears, but we've got smiles. And if love is truly worth it, I'll walk with you another mile. We can make it. We can make it. We can heal. We can love again and make this feeling real. Ooh, yeah. Let the music tell our story. One heart, one love, one beautiful journey. We'll write our story in the light, keep our love forever bright. Through every season that may come, I'll still be your faithful one. We'll make a memory that remains, turn our tears into champagne. And when the years have come and gone, our love will keep on shining on, shining on, shining on. Our love keeps shining on. You and me, we have a story to tell, not a perfect story, but a beautiful one. And every page we write together will live inside our hearts forever. One love. Sun comes shining through, the first thing on my mind is you. Every little smile you give to me feels like where my heart was meant to be. We've had some nights when the tears came down, lost our way and couldn't turn around, but somehow love kept calling our name, bringing two hearts together like love. I don't need a perfect story, I don't need a world without pain. Give me a hand and walk beside me, and I'll choose you again and again. With you, love comes naturally, like the ocean rolling endlessly. Even when the storm clouds fill the sky, I'll be right here by your side. With you, my heart feels free. You're the sweetest part of me. Through every tear and every smile, I'll love you all the while. Sometimes words can leave a scar, sometimes distance takes us far, but forgiveness opens up the door and brings us closer than before. I know that neither one of us is perfect, but your love makes every moment worth it. So let yesterday remain yesterday, and let tomorrow show us a better way. No more holding on to sorrow, no more living in regret. If you give me your tomorrow, I'll give you all the love I've got left. With you, love comes naturally, like the ocean rolling endlessly. Even when the storm clouds fill the sky, I'll be right here by your side. the sweetest part of me. After everything we've been through, my heart still comes home to you. Comes home to you. Home to you. Walk beside me. Love comes naturally when I'm with you. No matter where the road may lead, I'll keep choosing you. One heart, one love, forever. Yeah. Come closer, baby. Let me tell you something from my heart. Some kind of love never fade away. I remember when you held me close, when your love was the thing I needed most. Then somewhere along the way we lost our light. Two hearts hurting in the middle of the night. I know we both said things we didn't mean. I left some tears where our dreams had been. But when I look into your eyes again, I see the reason I don't want this to end. We can leave the yesterday behind, put the broken pieces back in line. If you give me one more chance tonight, I'll make sure our love survives. I will love you through the sunshine, I will love you through the rain. When the road gets hard and lonely, I'll be right here once again. Take my hand and come closer, let your heart rest next to mine. After all we've been through, baby, I still choose you every time. Your voice still brings me peace inside, like a gentle breeze on a warm summer night. And when you smile, all my worries disappear. I just wanna keep you near. I don't promise that we'll never fall, but I'll be there whenever you call. Love isn't about a perfect road, it's carrying each other when the journey gets cold. So let's forgive what yesterday brought and hold on to everything our hearts have taught. No more running, no more goodbye. Let's give our love another try. I will love you through the sunshine, I will love you through the rain. When the road gets hard and lonely, I'll be right here once again. Take my hand and come closer, let your heart rest next to mine. After all we've been through, baby, I still choose you every time. this feeling go. One heart, one love. I will love you through the sunshine. I will love you through the rain. Every tear and every high won't be wasted in vain. Take my hand and come closer. Let your heartbeat fall with mine. After all we've been through, baby, and love you for a lifetime. For a lifetime. I love you for a lifetime. Forever and always. Stay right here beside me. Let the music play. Let yesterday disappear. And let our love remain. One love, one heart, forever. All night. Come a little closer tonight. Let the past fade away and let our hearts remember why. We had our moments, we had our days. Sometimes love gets lost in different ways. Words were spoken that we can't undo, but deep in my heart I'm still choosing you. I remember the smile upon your face, the way your love could make time slow its pace. And though we stumbled somewhere along the road, I'll carry your heart wherever I go. So if you're willing, I'm willing to start again with a love that's true. No more pride standing in our way. Let's turn the darkness into brighter days. Stay with me tonight, my love. Let your heart come closer to mine. We've been through the rain, we've felt the pain, but our love can still shine. Stay with me tonight, my dear. Let forgiveness wash away the tears. I'll hold you close, I'll never let go. Let's love for 1,000 years. Your tender touch still feels like home, even when I'm standing here alone. Every memory whispers your name, and somehow my heart still feels the same. I don't need promises written in gold, just your hand in mine when the night gets cold. Give me your trust, I'll give you mine, and we'll build something beautiful this time. No more running, no more goodbye. Let's leave yesterday behind. If love is patient, love is kind, then maybe forever is what we'll find. Stay with me tonight, my love. Let your heart come closer to mine. We've been through the rain, we've felt the pain, but our love can still shine. Stay with me tonight, my dear. Let forgiveness wash away the tears. I'll hold you close, I'll never let go. Let's love for 1,000 years. If I hurt you, forgive me. If you hurt me, I'll understand. Love isn't perfect, baby. It's learning how to hold each other's hands. Don't walk away. We've come too far. Give me time. Stay with me tonight, my dear. There's no room for yesterday's tears. I'll hold you close, I'll never let go, and love you through the years. Stay with me. Stay with me tonight. We'll make tomorrow beautiful. One heart, one